Hey folks, this is Courtney, and I'm going to show you one of the many projects that I am currently working on with Airo. So first you see on my screen that I've got a prompt basically written out. I want to build a quick website for Luxe Braids and Beauty Studio and have gathered some information about who the audience is, the unique needs of this business owner. I have a couple of basic guidelines that I want to give it, like go with a gold or a plum theme, etc. So here's the prompt I've got written out. I'm going to drop that right into Airo and hit go. Let's see what kind of site that this builds for us. You'll see that the chat area in Airo is asking me, what's the primary goal for visitors to my website? I want them to booking appointments. Let's go with cultural and authentic, and it's asking me additionally use placeholders, or I could say use stock photos. Airo has returned and said, I'll build an accessible, culturally authentic homepage for Luxe Braids and Beauty Studios. Let me start by searching for the images that showcase the artistry of braiding and natural hair. It presents 22 different images that are stock photos there that do match up with the information we've provided. Airo has returned. You could see that it's actively working on building out the project. It shares what fonts that it's picking and a color scheme. Going to take a quick look through at what it did with the color scheme. That looks great. I'm going to hit accept on this cookie consent down below. I have the workings of most of a site. That was so fast. I've got a couple of pages yet to build out. That's fine. Let's go with looks great. Let's build out the services page, and it will start walking through creating the services page. Let's take a look at that services page as it's been built. Fantastic. Images look relevant. That's wonderful to see. All right, move on to the gallery. Let's have it build out the gallery page next. The gallery page has been created. And I like that when I click on them, I see here is the text describing to me what it is. These women look so beautiful. All right, let's build out the contact page. Our contact page has been created. Now, of course, this is filling in some basic information that we gave it in the prompt, but if you should need to ever get in and modify or revise that, just grab the pencil tool and select the area that you want to modify, get in there, and you can start typing right away yourself on those things. Finally, let's build out the booking page. Our book now page looks done. I could go in and select my services, set the dates in there, preferred time, and enter in any additional information that I have. Selecting request appointment. When you are done with that, you could also click to preview it in an entire tab by itself. Here you go. And when you're really fully satisfied, you can provide us some great feedback. This was positive, and I'm ready to publish. Hit publish. And as always, upon publishing, it's going to create an offer if you would like to get this on a domain name live that is your own domain name, yours for the keeping, and make it easy to connect that domain. I could select any of these items if I would like to prepare it for launch. For right now, I'll skip and say republish to get the offer on the domain. Select set up custom domain. And I could do a search in there for Luxe Braids by domain. Type the domain I want, Luxe Braids. And you're off to the races to find your domain address. Thanks for joining with me and watching me build today's demo. I'm really excited that this is what I'm creating for Black History Month. I'm also really interested to learn, what are you creating? Drop a link to any of the sites that you've been working on recently too. Thanks so much.